I wanted to become a food writer because the subject I realized was so much more vast than just talking about restaurants. It can cover everything from breaking news, so like maybe there is a recall, a meat recall, and you need to let people know. It could be a long-form investigation about a celebrity chef who's been accused of sexual harassment. It could be a financial investigation into a restaurant group. There are so many different elements of food writing, and it makes it just as interesting as any other beat in a newspaper. There's so many things that you can't begin to teach in a college experience about journalism, and it can only be learned on the job. But I think the professors do as close as they can with a college atmosphere to try to recreate that. So what I learned in Kearney State prepared me to a certain degree. One of the things that I really liked is that I had engagement with professors. It was not just that they taught me in class, but they would teach me outside of class too. And sometimes the things they taught me outside of class was as important or maybe even more important to me. And it was a chance to actually talk with a very educated person over subjects that I was interested in, and I loved that. It opened up worlds for me. If you want to be a journalist, I know it's a tough time to be a journalist, but don't let that stop you. If you want to be a journalist, go for it, because the world needs journalists.